Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering the immediate data: call numbers, company names, and message text. Why? Because targeted blocking works only with accurate inputs. Once collected, add numbers to your phone block list, register on the National Do Not Call list, and enable carrier spam filters. Make sure to install a reputable call blocking app and grant it permissions. This gives you both automatic screening and manual control. Do these steps now to stop most unsolicited trading outreach quickly and efficiently. Once the basics are active, add layers so callers can't slip through. Turn on carrier spam detection and set unknown callers to silence or auto-reject. Then configure your call blocking app with rules. Block entire prefixes, create a whitelist for known contacts, and auto-report suspicious numbers. Also change your voicemail greeting to discourage mass dialing. Briefly state you do not accept unsolicited offers. These layers reduce false negatives and cut down repeat attempts. Because automated dialers. To finish, audit call logs and export persistent offender numbers so you can file complaints with regulators and your carrier. That paperwork creates pressure and potential enforcement. Make sure to keep your block lists updated and sync across devices. If unwanted calls persist, consider changing your primary number or enabling advanced two-factor blocking that requires caller verification. If a legitimate contact is blocked, check your whitelist and carrier settings first. Adjust rules, then retest to resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.